Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Modern Warfare 2 DirectX error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to GeForce Experience, first click drivers and then check for updates and make sure to download and to install the latest update for your graphics card, and after that try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem then go to Windows Update Settings. And once you're here, just do the same thing, check for updates and install all the updates that you can find, and then just restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, open Task Manager and make sure to close all the applications in the background that you don't need when playing. And after that your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.